breaking updates coming in. Big breaking update on sources saying that the government is now trying to build consensus on FCRA. In case it fails, the government will send FCRA to a JPC. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pragya, on one hand, NDA has, of course, been trying to stitch up a lot of support. On the other hand, it's also having a plan B in place. What are the details?
Pratika, this is a very sensitive bill, and in fact, what opposition has made it out to be is it is anti-Christian, it is anti-minority, and this is the perception that government doesn't want to, go into the states, especially with the minority population. Government said that we are trying to build consensus. We have, in fact, been trying to build consensus with the Congress, especially, but it looks like that the opposition wants it to be sent to JPC, and in fact, this is what government will eventually agree to. We are given to understand that government will send it to JPC. Now, this is the consensus that could only be built because remember in BSU of Rajya Sabha, TMC and Congress said that this bill should be withdrawn, but government, there are other opposition parties that said at least send it to JPC so that we can have larger, broader discussion on many of the clauses that we have objection on. So eventually what we are given to understand is that government has in principle agreed to send it to JPC.
Okay, all right. So it may go to JPC. This is amid a lot of concerns. Of course, the government has also tried to address these concerns with delegations from the many states also meeting the government. But Pragya, the opposition has also been very clear on this, and the opposition has said not just a discussion. What the opposition has demanded is a complete withdrawal or the bill not to be tabled at all.
Absolutely. The first, demand of the opposition is that this FCRA bill should be withdrawn by the government. They called it draconian. They called it anti-minority. In fact, this is the reason why the government said that we need to explain this bill to the people, and this is why we need it to be debated in the House. A broader discussion by each and every party. And if you have any objection, government is ready to also accommodate that. But please come with the suggestion and come with the objections as well. This is why government wanted a debate, a wholesome debate, constructive debate in the parliament. But given the fact that the opposition is creating ruckus over various issues, it becomes clear to the government that no one is going to debate this particular bill in the House. But government did not want to pass it without having discussion, and that is why eventually the only demand that is left to be acceded to by the government is sending it to JPC, and this is exactly what the government said that they will do right now.
But for now, Pragya, we're seeing a lot of disruptions and protests in the parliament, with the opposition saying that there should only be a debate as of now on the student protest with the Home Minister's statement and Ram Mandir. Let's see what happens next. Thank you for joining us with all those details. With that, we're slipping into a very short break here. We'll be right back.